3 BHK flat for rent, Kakatiya Hills, Madhapur. Lift, east facing flat, I think 2200 square feet. Brand new property. 2 flats are available for rent. Each flat 60,000 per month rent, including maintenance. East facing, 2 flats available. 3rd floor and 4th floor out of 5 floors. This is main entrance. Brand new property for rent in Madhapur. Standalone apartment, 5 floors. Each floor 1 flat only. East facing main entrance. Brand new property, now available for rent. Main entrance, puja room, kitchen, east facing kitchen and washing area, dining cum hall, and master bedroom with attached bathroom, second bedroom with attached bathroom, third bedroom with attached bathroom. Now we are going to kitchen. One of the best property in Madhapur. Brand new property, this one. Washing area. Dining cum hall. One condition is there, no dogs are available. No dogs are not allowed. No dogs are allowed. And we are going to master bedroom. This is master bedroom. The attached bathroom and cupboards. And these are cupboards. This one balcony, attached bathroom, balcony actually. 2 bedrooms attached to balcony. Kakatiya Hills, Madhapur. One of the best location in Madhapur. This is master bedroom. Now we are going to second bedroom. This second bedroom. with attached bathroom, same balcony. And last and finally, third bedroom. This one hall, third bedroom. With attached bathroom. If you really want good property in Madhapur, this is one of the best option for you. 60,000 rent per month, including maintenance. Finally, this one puja room, east facing. This is overally 3 BHK, 2200 square feet, east facing. Third floor one flat available, fourth floor another flat available. 60,000 per month rent each flat. And one condition, dogs are not allowed. Thank you for watching.